Ever felt lost in the vast world of cryptocurrency, wondering where you truly belong? Pause for a beat. That feeling isn't uncommon. The crypto space, while brimming with innovation and opportunity, can often feel overwhelming. New projects pop up daily, jargon flies around like confetti, and finding a genuine community amidst the noise can feel like searching for a signal in a storm. But what if there was a beacon? A platform not just for trading and investing, but for genuine connection, learning, and growth within the crypto ecosystem? Enter Gemini. Now, you might know Gemini as a leading cryptocurrency exchange, founded by the Winklevoss twins. And yes, they offer a robust platform for buying, selling, and storing your digital assets. But beneath the surface of the exchange lies a conscious and evolving effort to cultivate a thriving crypto community. This isn't just about amassing users, it's about fostering a space where individuals, regardless of their experience level, can come together to learn, share insights, and collectively navigate the exciting, yet sometimes complex, world of digital currencies. So, how exactly is Gemini building this community? What are the key ingredients in their approach? Let's dive into some of the ways they are actively engaging with the crypto world beyond the transactional. One significant aspect of Gemini's community engagement is their focus on education. Recognizing that knowledge is the bedrock of informed participation, Gemini consistently produces a wealth of educational resources. Their crypto guides are a fantastic example, offering clear and concise explanations of fundamental concepts, from blockchain technology to specific cryptocurrencies and DeFi protocols. These aren't just dry definitions, they're designed to be accessible to newcomers while still offering valuable insights for those with more experience. Beyond these guides, Gemini actively creates blog posts, articles, and even video content that breaks down complex topics into digestible formats. They delve into market trends, analyze new developments, and provide thoughtful perspectives on the evolving regulatory landscape. This commitment to education empowers individuals to make more informed decisions and fosters a community built on understanding rather than speculation alone. Another key element of Gemini's strategy is their active presence and engagement on social media platforms. You'll find them on Twitter, LinkedIn, and other channels, not just broadcasting company updates, but actively participating in conversations. They respond to questions, share industry news, and engage with community members in a meaningful way. This two-way communication fosters a sense of connection and makes the platform feel more approachable and less like a monolithic entity. Furthermore, Gemini understands the power of bringing people together. They frequently host webinars, online events, and even in-person meetups, when circumstances allow. These events provide opportunities for community members to connect directly with the Gemini team, industry experts, and fellow enthusiasts. This direct interaction fosters a stronger sense of belonging and allows for the organic exchange of ideas and experiences. Think about it, attending a webinar where you can ask questions directly to a Gemini expert, or meeting fellow crypto enthusiasts at a local meetup. These experiences build camaraderie and strengthen the community fabric in a way that purely online interactions sometimes can't replicate. Gemini also actively supports and participates in broader industry initiatives. They often collaborate with other organizations and projects within the crypto space, demonstrating a commitment to the overall growth and development of the ecosystem. This collaborative spirit fosters a sense of unity and shared purpose within the wider crypto community. Moreover, Gemini has been proactive in addressing regulatory concerns and promoting responsible innovation within the crypto space. Their commitment to compliance and security not only builds trust among their users but also contributes to a more stable and sustainable environment for the entire community. By advocating for clear and sensible regulations, Gemini is playing a role in shaping the future of the industry in a positive way. Beyond these more formal initiatives, Gemini's community engagement can also be seen in the way they listen to and respond to user feedback. They actively solicit input on their platform and services, demonstrating a willingness to evolve and improve based on the needs and suggestions of their community. This responsiveness fosters a sense of ownership and makes users feel like their voices are heard and valued. Consider the impact of a company that genuinely listens to its users. It creates a feeling of partnership where the platform's growth is aligned with the needs of its community. This is a powerful way to build loyalty and foster a strong sense of belonging. Furthermore, Gemini's focus on security and trust is inherently a community-building element. In an industry where security breaches and scams can be prevalent, Gemini's robust security measures provide peace of mind for its users. This shared sense of security fosters trust not only in the platform but also within the community of users who feel protected and safe. Think about the peace of mind knowing your assets are held on a secure platform. This shared sense of security creates a stronger bond among users who trust the platform and, by extension, the community it fosters. It's also worth noting Gemini's commitment to fostering diversity and inclusion within the crypto space. They actively promote initiatives that aim to make crypto more accessible to individuals from all backgrounds. This focus on inclusivity broadens the community and brings in a wider range of perspectives and experiences, enriching the overall ecosystem. A diverse and inclusive community is a stronger community. By actively working to break down barriers and welcome individuals from all walks of life, Gemini is contributing to a more vibrant and representative crypto space. In essence, Gemini's approach to community engagement goes beyond simply providing a platform for buying and selling crypto. They are actively cultivating a space for learning, connection, and growth. Through their educational resources, active social media presence, community events, industry collaborations, and commitment to security and inclusivity, Gemini is striving to build a truly engaged and supportive crypto community. This isn't just about transactions, it's about building relationships, fostering understanding, and collectively navigating the exciting future of digital assets. It's about creating a space where individuals feel empowered, informed, and connected. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.